All right, well, drones help us get a bird's eye view of the world around us, right? But have you ever thought of what it takes to actually make them work?
Not until now. Meteorologist Rochelle Jay has some more on some local students doing just that.
I want you to think back to what you were doing at around 9 years old, technology-wise. Personally, I was just switching the TV from the A to the B side. But let me introduce you to some students in New Haven that are fixing problems and literally flying. These fourth graders are learning how to code at Barack Obama Magnet University School in New Haven.
It's an additional class that students get to come to once a week where we do almost all hands-on activities, lots of problem solving, lots of chances to figure things out as they relate to different STEM fields.
Jason Ward says that the scholars start coding in kindergarten using different programming tools based on grade level. London is in this week's drone group.
So today we did code.org, some of us, and then some of us did drones, trying to code them, get them through the hoop.
Teams work together to perfect their drone's commands to figure out the correct height and path for their drone. Through the group work, they are learning more than just how to code. They are learning how to collaborate.
Sometimes it'll be hard to work with people, but it's easier sometimes because they help you if you don't really know something.
The fourth graders rotate who codes with the drone each week, and sometimes even after school with Mr. Ward, tackling problems not just with code, but with the drone itself.
Sometimes the drones don't work, so me and him try to fix them and take them apart, and sometimes the motors break. And then these things have wires and we pull them out, then we take them out and try to replace them with the same one.
When they aren't handling the drone, students are solving other problems in class.
The rest of us were coding, so like debugging stuff and making these little characters be able to get like bananas or jewels.
So we're starting with sequencing, so we had to use the blocks to get the character to where they need to get to.
Through dragging and dropping these blocks and trial and error, they eventually discover the correct order to navigate their character through the puzzle to a reward.
So that perseverance, that celebration of success, and that camaraderie they develop, those are my favorite things.
At that age, debugging meant blowing on N64 cartridges to try and fix them and slapping the remote on my hand. Now, I'm looking for my next STEM spotlight. If you know an outstanding student, a passionate teacher, or a cool program like this one, please reach out to me. You can find my contact information in this story on our website.